What if you could ensure SharePoint compliance, security, and governance without lifting a finger? I'll show you how to automate governance using PowerShell. Broken permissions in SharePoint Online can become chaotic and lead to accidental overexposure or denial of access. Tracking and managing broken inheritance is difficult, especially in large document libraries, leading to potential compliance violations. Broken permissions create blind spots in auditing, making it hard to know who has access to what, risking compliance. Excessive broken permissions can degrade system performance, impacting user experience and workflows. Addressing broken permissions involves proactive governance, regular audits, and leveraging automation. Consistent auditing is crucial to maintain security and compliance in SharePoint Online. Its absence poses significant risks. Inconsistent auditing can lead to unauthorized changes going unnoticed, leaving the system vulnerable to breaches. Implementing automated auditing solutions and regular reviews ensures actionability and aids compliance objectives. Missed compliance deadlines in SharePoint Online can lead to severe regulatory penalties and operational disruptions. Organizations must implement automated compliance tracking and governance frameworks to avoid missed deadlines.
External sharing violations in SharePoint Online often go unnoticed without automated monitoring, leading to significant challenges. Sensitive data shared externally without proper oversight increases the risk of data breaches and compliance violations. Relying on manual processes to identify sharing violations is inefficient and prone to human error. Without automated alerts, identifying unauthorized external sharing is often delayed. Violations can lead to non-compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or CCPA, exposing the organization to fines. In environments with high external collaboration, lack of automated alerting undermines IT's ability to enforce governance. To mitigate these risks, organizations should enable automated alerts through Microsoft Purview solutions. Managing compliance policies across multiple site collections is a complex task that often leads to overlooked issues. Without centralized configuration, policies may be inconsistently applied, resulting in gaps in governance. Failure to enforce policies leaves site collections vulnerable to legal violations. Manually configuring compliance policies is time-consuming and error-prone, especially in large environments. Tracking compliance becomes challenging without unified dashboards or automated reporting tools. As the number of site collections grows, managing policies becomes increasingly complex. Organizations should leverage Microsoft Purview tools to enforce compliance policies at the tenant level. Governance isn't just a requirement, it's your competitive edge. If you're ready to transform your SharePoint environment, let's connect. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. For advanced articles and PowerShell scripts, refer to the QR code or description below. For any questions, please add them in the comments.